Okay, I'm going to try and cook some Grand's Junior's flaky layer biscuits. I don't know how this is going to turn out for breakfast, but this is all I got. So my lovely girlfriend bought the wrong kind, but we're going to give this a whirl. So anyway, I'll be back in a second to get this opened up. Alright, I'm back. Took a minute or two to open this up, but some of these cans are pretty tough. And it's always exciting when that thing actually does bust open. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Put this in here. Keep things from getting too messy. Okay, now these are, what do we call it? These are layered flaky?
Layered flaky biscuits.
Layered flaky biscuits. Little miniature things.
Juniors.
Juniors, that's what they are, juniors. Then, little Pam on there. You don't have to do that, but I do. Just because it's available. Alright, let's see here now. They want me to cook these at 400 degrees for 8 to 11 minutes. So, here we go. Alright, well there they are. 8 to 11 minutes. So what I'm going to do is at 400 degrees. That's pretty hot. I think I'm going to stick right here with 370, and I'm going to go
7 minutes.
Think so? Yeah, because with the air fryer like this, temperatures or length of time doesn't have to be as long as you would for an oven. So yeah, let's try. Let's just try 9 at 370 degrees, and then about the halfway point, I'll come back and check them out. That's what you should do anyway. Anytime you use an air fryer, check them when they're about half done as far as the time goes. So we'll see. Back in a sec. Alright, we got about I don't know, a little under 4 minutes here. This is about the halfway point, so I'm gonna pull these out, see what we're dealing with. Oh, those are, now see, now if I would have cooked that at 400 degrees, that would have been a lot worse. So 370 is a good one. Yeah, they would have been. I'm gonna, ouch, flip these over at the halfway point, like so, like that. Alright, nice golden brown on one side and a real flumpy on the other side. So anyway, remaining time should make them turn out pretty good. Alright, back when this is done. Okay, it's been 9 minutes. Directions said on the packaging that you should go between 8 and 11 minutes at 400 degrees. Ah, there we go. So I split the difference. The lower time, which was 8 minutes, and I just tacked on a minute. And then I actually cooked this at 370. So, see that? Look at that. Ow!
And they're 370 degrees, so don't do as Frank does.
they're molten, but those come out perfect right there. Now, if I would have gone at 400 degrees, you know, which they wanted, then yeah, no, they would have been burnt more than that. Not only that, but I just cooked these for 9 minutes, and I'd just now be ready to able to use the actual oven with a 10-minute heat up time. So that just goes to show how fast this air fryer works, because
Shows to go, yeah.
yeah, and it gets right to the point. No mess. Yeah. So there you have it. Biscuits, super hot, just like that. Yeah. Ow.
And they're still hot, Frank.
All right. Well, there you go. So let's review. These are mini biscuits, right?
Yep.
The miniature biscuit. These aren't the regular sized biscuits. Why anybody would eat mini biscuits, I don't know. You starve to death. You can't even put a decent piece of sausage or biscuit on there.
But I did buy him biscuits.
Yeah, well, it's the thought that counts. But, yep, 9 minutes at 370, not 400 like they suggested. And about halfway through, check them out, flip them over, and boom, you're good to go. So, anyway, thanks a lot. We'll catch you later. And what does it usually say there, Beth?
Peace.
Oh, boy. See you.